this is Arsha Satania and welcome to my video. It's not a channel yet. So I'm going to be talking to you guys about my whole iPop experience and what I did in America and frequently asked questions and stuff. Hollywood Dreams is a company that takes people for iPop, that gets people to perform at the iPop showcase, and this is the first time that they came to India, and I went for the audition and I got selected. So the audition was at the Four Seasons Hotel, Worli, and it went quite well and I got selected and they gave me this visa letter. So I got my visa and I was talking to my dad about what we're gonna do there and stuff. So he said if we're going to America for your showcase, we might as well tour around different places. So we went to a lot of places. So my first place was Orlando. I went to so many places in Orlando. I went to Disneyland, I went to SeaWorld, I went to a lot of theme parks in Orlando. So this is my picture from there. To be honest, Orlando was quite overrated because it wasn't like pretty or it wasn't developed or anything like that, but the theme parks were fun, so that was good. And then we went to Miami to take the cruise. So from Miami I took the cruise to Bahamas. The cruise was a lot of fun. There were parties and my cruise, they had a private island, so they stopped at the private island and we stopped at Bahamas. So it was a lot of fun, except I didn't go swimming or I didn't go to the beach or anything like that because I had iPop after it, and I didn't want to get tan because I don't get like the golden tan, I get like the brown tan, which is really bad. So I didn't want that. So I was just focusing on my iPop. So this is a picture of me from the Bahamas. Bahamas is a really pretty place. We had like a island tour of the Bahamas, and it was quite nice because we learned about the history and stuff like that. And so after my Bahamas cruise, after we got back to the cruise from the Bahamas and the cruise got over and stuff, we left for Los Angeles for my showcase. So this is gonna be a lot of fun. So on day one, everybody just checked in at about 4 o'clock to the hotel, and by 7 o'clock we had all our auditions and stuff. Now my flight got delayed, so I got late. I came like half an hour before the audition started, and I had a lot of trouble on the first day because our names were not registered because my dad paid only after the visa. After we got the visa, but actually you're supposed to pay in like a few days, and we didn't, we paid later. So our names weren't registered, and apparently the main director thought that my brother and I weren't prepared enough for iPop, but we came to Los Angeles, so they had to register us anyway. And this is the book that they gave us. So I'm gonna read the first page. The first page says, iPop welcomes you to the most amazing week of your life, which is true. It actually was the most amazing week of my life. So on day 2 we had our boot camps and stuff. So our boot camps are basically like training and activities and stuff where they help you become better in whatever you're doing. So at my actors boot camp, Josh was my trainer. Josh was actually our coach for everybody, and Josh was really nice. He made us do activities. So I made friends from people from Brazil, from Macau. There were people from all over the world. There were even people from Dubai and Tajikistan, basically everywhere. So I had a lot of fun at the boot camp. And then on day 4, it was our main day because we were going to perform in front of the agencies, and they're going to see our commercials, our monologues, our performances. Like there were singers and dancers too, right? So there was a lot of fun. I did quite well in the auditions, and day 4, so day 5, right? I think, yeah. So our main day for the callbacks was the last day. So on the last day, I wasn't sure if I'm gonna do well or how many callbacks I'm gonna get, and I ended up getting 5 callbacks. I was happy for that. And after our callbacks that night, it was our awards night. Awards night was a completely different feeling because I had no idea that I'm gonna even get nominated, but I got nominated for best headshot and I got nominated for best monologue, and I was so happy, and I won best headshot and I came first runner up for best monologue. I would have shown you guys the medals, but they're in my mom's room. So it was just a completely different feeling. It was because I could literally see my dreams come true, like I could see it happening. So that was very, very, very exciting for me. And yeah, it was just a really nice night. And so after our awards night, I left for Toronto at like 2 in the morning because my dad wanted to celebrate like our religious festival in Toronto, and we also like wanted to look around the Niagara Falls and just look around the place in general. So Toronto was really nice. When I saw the Niagara Falls, I thought it's okay, but then we went in the boat and we came close to the Niagara Falls. So it was just amazing. It was a really nice feeling. And after Toronto, we joined back to our cruise. We went back to our cruise. We joined them in Las Vegas. Las Vegas is a really, really pretty place, and except it's really hot, it's extremely hot, like we couldn't walk on the streets and stuff like that, but it's extremely lit, like there are casinos everywhere, and it's just like a very nice place in general if you're young and if you just want to party and stuff like that. So after Las Vegas, we went back to Los Angeles for the tour because I didn't look around Los Angeles when I was doing my showcase. So when we went back to Los Angeles, we saw the Universal Studios, which is amazing. I love the Universal Studios. And we saw Hollywood, and Los Angeles is a really nice place in general. So I really liked Los Angeles, and after Los Angeles, our next destination was San Francisco. But on our way to San Francisco, we had this village called Solvang. Solvang looked like this really European place. Even the tour guide said that, because it didn't have any tall buildings. It was like this place with just houses and like bakeries that looked like really old bakeries and like barber shops and stuff. So it was just a very, very pretty place in general, like a very slow life and all. So we took pictures there. After Solvang, we went to San Francisco. My parents loved San Francisco because it was so cold and they liked the weather, and the place is really pretty. We saw different places in San Francisco. We saw the crookedest street in the world. So also I'm going to show you another picture. This is a picture of Shimla, and this is a picture of San Francisco. Can you see how similar it is? I haven't seen Shimla, but my friend posted it on Instagram, and I think in this picture both the places look extremely similar. So anyways, after San Francisco, we went to Houston. In Houston, I was with my family. This is a picture of my family. I had a lot of fun in Houston. I went to the Butterfly Park. This is a video of the Butterfly Park. So the Butterfly Park was a lot of fun for me, and Houston was just a lot of fun because I was with my family. Now after Houston, we were supposed to go to New York, but my dad fell ill, he was in the hospital, so we couldn't go to New York, so we just came back to India. But overall the trip was really nice, and I'm really grateful for everyone that wishes well for me.